Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program to calculate sum of the array elements, and also we will find average value of the array elements. To do so, in the VS Code, I am creating a C program named sum of elements.c, and in the program I am adding a header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. Following it, I am creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring an integer variable I and then a variable sum, and I am assigning a value 0 to it. And then I am declaring an integer array. I am naming it as num and I am giving its size as 5. And then I am assigning the values 4, 5, 2, 3 and 7 as the value for the array num. So these are all the elements of array. And then I am creating a for loop which will run from I equal to 1 to I equal to 4, which will iterate the array from 0 to 4, which are all the index of the array. And within this for loop, I am adding a statement sum equal to sum plus num of I. So for each iteration of the loop, a value from the array will be picked and added with current value of sum, and the resultant value will be stored inside the sum. In the first iteration, when I equal to 0, the value from the 0th position of the array, which is 4, is taken and added with sum, which is 0. So 0 plus 4 is again 4, is stored into sum. So after the first iteration, the value of sum will be 4. And in the second iteration, the value of I will be 1. So now 5 will be taken and current value of sum is 4. So 4 plus 5, 9 will be stored inside the sum. Similarly, after completing entire iteration of the loop, all the values from array will be taken and added to sum. After this for loop, I am adding a printf statement to display the calculated total from the array. And then I need another variable to store the average value of the array elements. For that, I am declaring a float variable named average. And coming back to the program, I am adding a statement average equal to sum divided by 5, where 5 is the total size of the array. So after this statement, average value of the array elements will be stored inside the variable average. In the next line, I am adding a printf statement to display the average value. And finally, at the end of the main function, I am adding return 0 to close the program. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am pressing Ctrl J to open VS Code terminal. And within the VS Code terminal, I am typing gcc space sum of elements.c and then pressing enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe. And from the output, you can see total equal to 21 is displayed, which is the total sum of the elements from the array. And also in the next line, average equal to 4 is displayed, which is the average value from the array element. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.